Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Isnay Kumar Mishram, Department of Sociology and Social Work, Bharati Vishwavidyalaya, Durg, Chhattisgarh. I want to say something on World Nature Conservation Day. I want to say about saving soil. Soil is a very important element in our life for our whole ecological system. We know that. United Nations says that our soil is continuously degrading its nutrients. So because of that, in next 40 to 50 years, our soils may incapable of producing any kinds of crops because of the degradation of nutrients. United Nations also says that in every 5 seconds we humans are destroying a football ground equal area of soils in every 5 seconds. So this is a very serious issue for us. We have to take quick action about it. Soil is a very living element. A handful soil has contained 8 to 10 billion microorganisms in it. Soil is the largest carbon conservative of the world, and it helps us to reduce, to prevent the effect of global warming. Soil is also the world's largest recycle mechanism. It converts the organic waste to organic manure. Soil, a nutritious soil has the capacity to reserve water, so it can helps to prevent floods. Soil certain amount of water captures in it, and over the certain limit the water may flow as a river on it. It is its basic characteristics. So there are many uses and there are many important features of soil for the living creatures on this earth. We have to save soil. So these are the 5 effective ways to save our soil. The first one is to grow our own garden in our house or in our vacant land. We can grow it. The second one is use compost. Use compost to enrich our soil for its nutrients. The third one is we have to plant the soil saving plants more and more to save soil. The next one is to support the soil friendly eco farming agriculture. So this type of farming we can support to save soil. And the fifth is to talk about, to speak about soil, to create awareness in our global society about saving soil. This is the foremost necessity in today's scenario. So this is the few lines and few important points which I have described about saving soil. uh, you know, in recent time there is a movement, save soil movement, an international level movement, uh, which has run by Jaggi Vasudev ji. Jaggi Vasudev is a well-known spiritual figure in India and also among world today's time. So he started the soil save movement, and this movement has supported by United Nations, World Health Organizations, Sustainable Development Growth Agency and Lab of United Nations, and also it supported by the International Council of United Nations for Conservation of Nature. So, his movement for saving soil has started from March to June. He has a bike rally for awareness of saving soil, approximately 30,000 kilometers. He has driving bike rally for awareness program for saving soil in 26 countries. He has started his journey from London and he has ended it in 21st June at Kaveri Basin, India, and also in Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi, in the presence of Honorable Prime Minister. He has saying his vision and presenting his views on saving soil, and also supported by our PM, his movement. So we have to save soil to save our nature and to save the biodiversity on this beautiful earth, this beautiful planet, which is the real heaven. Okay, thank you.